been willing when she's so kind of confused and scared.
I know.
What you're like. Locked up until I come out to see tonight.
You want me to?
Yeah, let her have the pasture, I think.
Okay.
Well, whichever way you want to do it.
No, that's fine with me. I don't care.
I didn't know if you wanted me to put them out together while I was here and then separate them again. If you want to watch it, you can. That's fine.
I kind of want to watch a little bit, but I won't leave it like that.
Okay. I think brother thinks, oh boy, another girlfriend. He's looking at her.
As long as you think girlfriend is nice and not girlfriend I'm going to eat you, I'm okay with that.